This is Barb Straight with Straightaway Travel and Pickleball in Paradise, and we are with our butler here at the Kurason Island Poolside Butler Bungalow with patio tranquility soaking tub. We are in a butler room at Sandals Royal Curaçao that is absolutely a stunner. So when you walk in, you have your little seating area where you can have some champagne or some fruit in the morning. And of course, here it is. This is just like the bungalows, overwater bungalows. The setup is, but it's very, very modern. Of course, you have your king size bed in here, and it is overlooking the heart-shaped connected pool. The TV does go down, and I will show you in a minute what that looks like, having my butler put it down for you. So every bungalow captures the height of luxury with hardwood floors and these vaulted ceilings. The TV is a smart TV, so you do have your Netflix if you do want to pull that up at night. The plugs in Curacao, a lot of them are European, so bring a converter. You do have US plugs, but all right, let's walk out here from our shower into our little oasis. Kurason Island is what this is called, and Kurason means heart. So you'll see it is a heart-shaped pool. It is connected to the other bungalows in this little island villa. So the Tranquility Soaking Tub has a private curtains, you have sun loungers, a bistro set for two, and the whole experience, you have attentive service from your personal butler staff. If you are here to play pickleball, they will take you in a golf cart right up the hill to the pickleball courts and pick you up. There are bikes throughout the resort as well, and everything is walkable too. So Straightaway Travel and Pickleball in Paradise are here for all your vacation needs, and we make sure that we know the resort, know the management, know the rooms, so we pair you with the perfect vacation.
Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and go to www.straightawaytravel.com for all your vacation needs at zero cost to you. We make your vacation perfect. You pay nothing more.